Peace be upon you. In this video, we will discuss how to create customers in bulk within Splendid accounts if we have a large number of customers. First, we will click on Setup, click on Customers in the list, click on Import here, and by clicking on this Excel template, we will download the Excel template. We will open the template, and as soon as it downloads, we will enable editing. Inside the Excel file, the customer code and customer name are the two mandatory fields based on which your customer is created. The remaining fields are all optional, but if you want to create customers in bulk and also include their opening balances, you can enter the customer's opening balance directly within the Excel file as well. First, we will write the customer code here. Well, you can write the customer code yourself, whatever you want to write, or you can also use the code that the system generates. For example, I will write the system code C001. Here we will write the customer name and let's add another customer. As for the remaining fields, one more thing. In the Excel template, you should fill in the data for the columns you need. Do not delete or remove any of the other columns. If we do that, our file will not import and the system will give us a file format mismatch error. So you can write the details you need in those columns, and for the ones you don't need, you can just leave them blank. Save the file here and come back to the software. I will close this, then we will click on import again and click on choose file. We will select the file we prepared to import the customer and click on import. We will close it, and the customers Bilal and Ubaid traders have been created in bulk. Thank you.